everybody. That's right, we finally reached 10 subscribers. Woohoo! And we have so much to tell you. So the season 1 of Biggest Fan 2020 has ended a few weeks ago, I think. And now it's time to make room for the new events. But it's not going to be Biggest Fan 2021 yet. It's not around the corner. There's still multiple dead ends, but it will lead to a success. So now we have new events, and not just that, new projects that I've been working on to keep you ready and excited to watch. So let's get in it. Okay, it's time to start with the projects. So there will be something airing on the 24th of April 2021 at 1 p.m. What will it be? I will give you a clue. On the screen, I will put on a hint of what will be the new project. Okay, here's the hint. Do you know what the picture is? It looks green. It looks like a plant. Maybe it is a plant. What would this mean? Okay, time for the upcoming events. So there's also going to be something premiering on the same day, but it's at a different time. It's at 3 p.m. What would it be? Well, don't worry. Yet again, there will be another hint that will be appearing on the screen now. Okay, here's the hint. It looks like it has something to do with Beyblade. What could this mean? Who knows? We just have to see at the premiere. Okay, time for the surprise, and that's it. I finally reached 200 views. Who knew we would accomplish all of the things as we wanted from the channel in one video? Isn't that the surprise? Well, all I want to say is thank you all so much for watching my videos and for subscribing me. And if you're not subscribed right now, why don't you press the subscribe button and so you're subscribed to me, and you then turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of one of my videos. And why don't you also press the like button? Thanks for listening.